Hi y'all! This is an unboxing of the Sanjoki. I'm sure I'm butchering that name. Alright, markers. I'll do another video swatching and so forth using them next week. That's them right there. This is just first impressions. Okay. My first impression is that the box is a little torn here and there, and there's a, but you know, that's okay. I'm not too worried about that. Sometimes Amazon just misses on that. Okay, so yeah, I think this probably had been looked at before because you can see the dent in it. Alright. Hope it wasn't used too much. I did not pay for a used one, but I don't know. This little, what do you call this? Little piece of tape doesn't look like it was put back on, you know. It looks like a new, completely new box. It's just the box has been torn. As we all know, it's about what's inside, right? Oh, I saw this set of markers being reviewed by the Frugal Crafter, and oh my goodness, this is heavy. And I thought, well, since I'm new, really new at using alcohol markers, I didn't want to invest in maybe a higher quality one yet. And this one was reviewed, well, I can't remember her name. Lindsay, that's it. She said this was good quality, so, oh wow, it's even got a little piece of plastic around there. Alright, it's in this nice canvas case, and it's, I guess Sanjoki means color the life, and it's got a nice metal buckle. Okay, let's open it up. Wow, that's good Velcro. Alright, oh boy. So you're seeing my genuinely first reaction. Yeah, something else Lindsay said was you could, well, I'll get to it, you can use the lids for something interesting. Okay, what do we get here? We get a marker book, A5, looks like 5 by 7, but it might be, let's see what it is, just so you'll know. 8 and a half by 8 by 5.5. 8 by 5. Okay, and we have the color chart. This is nice thick card right here. Really nice thick card. It better be if you're going to put markers on it. This is a little sheet of plastic to put under thin pieces of paper that you're working on. I would have liked to seen a bigger, like really 8.5 by 11, you know, normal page size. But, you know, I could probably find that at a hobby store anyway. And, oh, these are the labels. These look like labels. Hello, Marty. It's not a video without you. I'm trying to see if these are already written on. Okay, they're blank. So I suppose you can come up with whatever names you'd like. The names are here. So these are for you to write the names. It would have been nice to have the names already printed on there. Okay. All right, I'm going to open this. You can open this all the way. Oh, look, it's got a little handle. So you can carry it. And there's 3 sections. Each section has 40. And they're also in their own little, you can see it here too. They're in their own little slots. I like that. That was one of the reasons I wanted this one. Here's English, and there's the Japanese, and the colors again. This is the kind of little pictures you see on Amazon. So they've got 3. They've got the 80 set, the 120, one that's got the brush marker, and then this one is the traditional one that has the chisel and the fine on it. Okay, awesome. Let's open one. These aren't in number order here, but I understand that when you do put them in number order, they're pretty much in color family. I'm very excited about that. So one of the reasons I bought this was the fact that it had a case, and it had a great review by Lindsay at Frugal Crafter, and there were quite a few others that had a favorable review on it. And then on Amazon it had a really good review rating. And Lindsay said that you can cut these like a section, a 6x2 section, and put them in like a small Altoids. This is not a commercial for Altoids. You can put them in a tin like this, but this one's bigger, so it could fit. It could fit a 3x5 in there, so you could get 15. And these could be used as you can take your gouache with you, or the tube watercolors in there. Anyhow, so her and I are like twins in that we see plastic bits that usually are thrown away or boxes and say, hey, I can do some with that. And my husband just rolls his eyes. All right. Let's get out. I like blue a lot, but let's get this one. Okay. So you got the name, and each side has the number, which is nice. I noticed in their square one, that's their chisel and fine, they have the names on the bottom and the top, I guess, of each of the markers, but in this one they only have the numbers. I don't know. If you have that one, let me know if it bothers you. All right, this side is the brush, and this side, obviously, is the chisel. Okay. So that is just going to be really strange. The lid doesn't fit on the other side. I thought it did. I guess if you push hard enough it will. I'm afraid that's just going to fall off. So I will have to find a way to not forget to put that back on. Alright, let's see how it writes here. Okay. Let's see. I'm not, since my hand shakes, I'm not going to be super great at drawing little loopies of it. See, I'm already doing that. All right, let's do it this way. Okay, this particular paper is the Astro Bright, which is like the Nina paper. And of course, all alcohol markers bleed. And I wasn't pushing terribly hard on that. And I mean, that's just normal. Let's see how it works on the Spring Hill paper. It probably still will bleed, but I want to see what it feels like. Yeah. It grabs onto that. I wonder if we can take a green. Oh, see, it's gonna, now that one, it kind of stays on. You can kind of get it. Let's see if, I probably should have taken like a mid-tone, yeah, a lighter blue to go across that. Let's see if we can't find a, I don't know why I picked green. I meant to pick yellow. I guess we can redo that. So I do apologize for not keeping it in the middle. Okay, so there's others that give a lot better of a blending tutorial than I have here. All right, it's definitely blending. You can see it make green. Let's look at the other side. Yeah. So yeah, just know that all alcohol markers bleed, including the best ones. Okay, what else can we do? I'm gonna put these back. A little disappointed that, oh hey, let's try this side, that you can't get the lid to stay on the end. I'm not sure if that's gonna be a deal breaker or not. This is a very big and wide chisel size. Alright, let's try another color. Let's try a red color with this one. It's a stiffer brush than, say, Ohuhu, but it's not terribly stiff like some cheap ones. I've never been excited about the chisel side of anything. The chisel side of markers. Wow, so you can't see any lines when you use the brush. And I have to say, this is round and not like oval, square, or squarevel. I forgot, that's how Lindsay says it. They're round, and I can feel that difference. I don't know that it's going to bother me or not. I'm just, this is a first impressions review, so let's get that blue again. See if we can't. Well, might as well Try the chisel side. I really like the brush side a lot. It has a case. It's got a place for each of the 120 set. It has good reviews. It's got a little notch.
That it won't roll away. It'll roll, but not very far. You know, I mean, it's round. It's going to roll a little bit. But it won't. My desk is not flat. I have to tell you, my desk is not flat. Okay, so it did stop. It did stop.
Got a number on both sides. Ooh, is this gold? Oh, and the band here is on the brush side, so that's handy to remember. The cap doesn't match, at least on that one. Let's see about this one. That one's pretty good. I guess it's just hard to do that brown, really. Let's try this one. Woo! That matches. So I'm thinking that most everything, most all of them are gonna match. Maybe a little bit of light there. Most of them match. They have this handy dandy little free gift they give you. A nice color chart. Let me know what questions you might have on them and I can answer. I like that it comes in this neat little case. There's my light. Comes off. You can put the handle on it and carry it around, or carry it like that. Okay, y'all. Look for my next video on using these markers. We're gonna swatch them. See you later. Bye.